Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to talk to you today about how the U.S. has given the Philippines its first drones. These drones, it's 6 drones, and these drones are worth $13.2 million. And these drones were given by the U.S. to the Philippine Air Force, and this is done to step up cooperation against the Islamic militants that are in the Philippines, which are parts of ISIS, but also Abu Sayyaf and Moro Islamic Liberation Front. And this is a good job that the U.S. is doing and the Philippine military is doing, because this radical Islamic extremism in that region is not just a threat to the Philippines. While the Philippines are a vital ally, we need to be helping them if they were just a threat to the Philippines, which we would be doing. I'm trying to say they're a threat to the Philippines, but also the rest of the world. Also key allies like Australia and New Zealand, and also the United States. It's a threat to all civilized countries out there. And this is why the U.S. and the Philippines are combating them. So thumbs up to both militaries. Hope everyone's doing well. Take care. God bless them. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.